Welcome. Today's episode we dive into fantastic story that many time filled but never give up. So, let's start it. Everyone wants success, but most people don't understand what it truly is. We grow up believing success means money, fame, followers, cars, houses. But here's the truth no one tells you. Success is never what it looks like from the outside. Part 1. Success looks boring behind the scenes. Success isn't always glamorous. It's not constant wins, smiling selfies, or perfect lives. Success often looks like waking up early when you feel tired, working when no one notices, failing 10 times before one small win, practicing in silence while others are partying. What you see on social media, that's the highlight reel. But real success lives in the boring, lonely, and quiet moments, when no one is clapping for you but you keep going anyway. Part 2. Mindset over. Another truth. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. You won't always feel excited. You won't always feel inspired. You won't always feel strong. But what will carry you forward is mindset. A mindset that says, I'll show up even when I don't feel like it. I'll keep going even after I've failed. I'll be patient. I'll play the long game. That's what separates dreamers from achievers. Part 3. You will lose friends. Yes, this one's hard but real. The truth is, the more you grow, the more uncomfortable it will be for people who stay the same. You'll lose friends who don't understand your vision, people who only like the old version of you, the social circles who fear your success. It's not your fault. Success often requires a level of focus and sacrifice that few are willing to accept, and that can feel lonely. But remember, losing people doesn't mean you're wrong. It means you're growing. Part 4. You must fail to succeed. No one likes to talk about failure. But failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Think of every great success story. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter was accepted. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school team. Failure isn't the end. It's training. It's feedback. It's preparation. If you're failing, that doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're becoming. Part 5. Consistency talent. This might be the biggest truth of all. Talent is common. Consistency is rare. You don't need to be the smartest, fastest, or most talented. You just need to keep showing up. Even when no one's watching, no one's supporting you. Results are slow. Because success doesn't reward the lucky. It rewards the relentless. Part 6. It's not about what you get. It's about who you become. Success changes you. Not just your job, not just your money, not just your title. It changes your character. Through the process you become a stronger, a wiser, a more focused, a more resilient. That's the real reward. Not the car, not the house, but the version of you that you built. Part 7. You define success, no one else. Finally, the most powerful truth. Success is personal. It doesn't have to mean millions. It doesn't have to mean fame. It doesn't have to match anyone else's path. Success might mean having peace, doing meaningful work, taking care of your family, creating something you're proud of. You don't have to prove anything to the world. Just become the person you know you're meant to be. So the next time you feel lost, remember this. A success isn't easy. It's not fast. It's not always fun. But it's worth it. If you're on the path, if you're working quietly, if you're choosing growth over comfort, you are already successful. Now keep going. If this message inspired you, subscribe for weekly motivation. Like, share, and drop a comment. What does success mean to you?